I saw a play in Dublin not long ago in which the chief character was an elderly corn merchant in a small Irish country town. He was a man of a man and exactitude. His heart was dicky. His nephew was cheating him. His wife had a fantastic notion of spending $10 on a holiday. क्या मतलब हो गया? एक डबलिन के कौन थे? कॉर्न मर्चेंट थे, है ना, जो आयरिश कंट्री के थे, कॉर्न मर्चेंट. और उनका जो नेफ्यू था वो क्या कर रहा था? चीटिंग कर रहा था. और वाइफ $10 हॉलीडे में खर्च कर रही थी. ऑल टुगेदर द पेस ऑफ ए लाइफ वाज गेटिंग टू मच फॉर हिम, है ना. ये जो पेस ऑफ लाइफ था, जीवन की जो रफ्तार थी, जीने की जो कल थी, वो बहुत ही फास्ट उनको लग रहा था. मच फॉर हिम एंड इन मोमेंट ऑफ ए डेस्पेयर ही अटर्ड अ ग्रेट क्राई फॉर द हार्ट. और वो बहुत ज़ोर से, एकदम दिल से वो चिल्लाए. They tell me there's an aeroplane now that goes at 1000 miles an hour. Now that's too fast. For me that was the, है ना, क्या बोला कि 1000 miles 1 आवर्स में जा सकते हैं एरोप्लेन, मतलब कितना फास्ट हो गया है. Now that's too fast. For me that was the most enchanting line in the play. The man's complaint was so gloriously irrelevant to his own situation, and besides being a comic, it struck me a perfect illustration of the way the Irish get a subtle truths by the most unlikely approaches. You saw what he old fool meant? No, that I have any dislike of a rapid movement myself, है ना. ये जो रैपिड मूवमेंट है मेरे जीवन में, ये वो पसंद नहीं करते थे. रैपिड मतलब यहाँ पर RAPID, रैपिड मतलब ये फास्ट. रिपीट नहीं है वो, रैपिड मतलब फास्ट. I enjoy going in a car at 90 miles an hour so long as I am driving, so long as it is not my car. I adore the machines that hurl you about at a Battersea. To dine in London and lunch in New York next day seems to me a most satisfactory experience. I admit it excludes all the real pleasures of travel, the sort of a fun you get from a country bus in some rest or Spain, but it gives you a superficial sense of a drama. It was a sort of excitement our ancestors had to do without, and we might just as well accept it gratefully, है ना. और ये gratefully इस चीज़ को accept कर रहे थे. और इनको इट गिव्स अ यूएस सुपरफिशियल सेंस ऑफ ड्रामा, और ये सुपरफिशियल उनको सेंस ऑफ ड्रामा लग रहा था. नो, वेयर स्पीड बिकम्स समथिंग अनफ्रेंडली टू मी इज वेयर द मेंटल एक्टिविटीज of our time tend, as they naturally do, to follow the pace of the machines. I speak with prejudice because I belong to the tribe of slow thinkers, those who are caused with I sclerate people who light on the most devastating repartee about 4 hours after the party is over. I am one of those who are guaranteed to get the lowest marks in any intelligence test, because those tests are all the ones I have come across seem to be designed to measure the speed of our mind more and than anything else. Obviously, we slow thinkers are terrible handicapped in the business of getting living, है ना. जो इस पेस ऑफ लिविंग में वो अपने आप को कैसा सोच रहे थे? बहुत स्लो सोच रहे थे, और हैंडीकैप्ट उनको ऐसा महसूस हो रहा था. बट what I am thinking about just now is not so much the practical use of one's mind as its use for enjoyment. As an example, when I go to the cinema, I find myself in a hopeless fog, and after 2 or 3 minutes, है ना, वो जो सिनेमा देखने गए तो उनको भी एक धुंधला धुंधला सा दिख रहा था, है ना, आशालेस हो गए, मतलब आशाहीन हो गए थे वो. 3 minutes I have turned to my wife of enlightenment. I whisper, is this the same girl as the one we saw the beginning? है ना, वो अपनी वाइफ से पूछे कि जो ये जो लड़की है जो मैंने पहले इसमें देखा वही लड़की है। एंड सी विस्पर्ड बैक, वो फिर से धीरे से बोली, नो देर आर ए 3 गर्ल्स इन दिस फिल्म, अ टॉल ब्लॉन्ड, इसमें 3 लड़कियां हैं इस फिल्म में। मतलब कैसे उनके होपलेस हो गए थे, जो वो फिल्म में भी पहचान नहीं रहे थे कैरेक्टर को। A tall blonde, a short blonde, and a medium size a Brunty. Call them a ABC. The hero is that man who takes his hat off when he comes. Off when he comes indoors. He going to fall in love with girl B, C, A in that order, and so it proves to be. There you have a mind which has trained itself to work in a high gear, though as a matter of fact it can work in other gears just as well. But my point is that most of my fellow patients in the cinema do think fast enough to keep up comfortably with rapid changes of a scene and action. They think much faster than people did 30 years ago, possibly because those who do not think fast in the high street nowadays, है ना, 30 साल पहले की बात लोगों का क्या वो सोच सकते थे कि इतने फास्ट हो जाएंगे। स्ट्रीट नाउअडेज may not get in another chance in this world to think at all. अभी तो सोचो 2026 है, फिर भी चाइना, जापान सबके चेंजेज को देखोगे, पेस ऑफ लिविंग देखोगे तो क्या लगेगा कि 2050 में जी रहे हैं, है ना। इतनी फास्ट हो गई है वहाँ पर, वर्क जो भी होती है इतनी फास्ट होती है। Answer the following question briefly. Where did the writer watch the play? Who was the chief character in the play? Does the writer dislike rapid movement in every field? In which situation does the writer find himself in the cinema? How does the writer classify himself as a thinker?